Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 12th October 2024. We bring you the latest updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk is set to unveil Tesla's robotaxi, the Cybercab, at the We Robot event in Los Angeles. This marks a pivotal moment for Tesla as it strives to lead the driverless car market. Despite Tesla's impressive market valuation of $755 billion, challenges remain. Independent evaluations show Tesla's full self-driving software still requires human intervention every 13 miles, lagging behind competitors like Waymo, which has been offering fully driverless rides since 2020. Waymo's co-CEO, Dmitry Dolgov, points out that Tesla and Waymo's technologies are more similar than Musk claims, with both companies using end-to-end neural networks. Waymo faces its own challenges with the high costs of its LiDAR technology and recent tariffs on Chinese vehicles. Meanwhile, Tesla must improve its software and infrastructure to support a robotaxi service. The upcoming event will be closely watched for any plans Musk might reveal about remote operators, signaling a serious commitment to fully driverless operations. Tesla recently unveiled the Cybercab at the We Robot event, but the presentation faced criticism. Former Waymo CEO John Krafcik and some Wall Street analysts expressed skepticism about Tesla's commitment to a safe and accessible robotaxi service. Krafcik highlighted potential accessibility issues with the vehicle's low seating, which could hinder elderly passengers and those with disabilities. The mixed reaction from Wall Street saw Tesla's stock fall by 10%, reflecting investor concerns. Elon Musk is intensifying his involvement in the US presidential campaign, particularly in support of Donald Trump. Musk has relocated his focus to Pennsylvania, a key state for Trump's re-election efforts. He is actively promoting Trump's candidacy on X, the platform he owns, and is overseeing a super PAC to mobilize voters. This level of involvement showcases Musk's commitment to Trump's campaign with the same intensity he applies to his business ventures. California officials have rejected SpaceX's proposal to increase rocket launches from the state's coast. The California Coastal Commission voted against the plan, citing concerns about Musk's political activities and labor practices. Despite military assurances about wildlife monitoring and sonic boom mitigation, commissioners expressed skepticism about Musk's influence. The commission emphasized the need for SpaceX to apply for a coastal development permit, indicating ongoing tensions between the company and state regulators. Elon Musk's platform, X, has dropped Unilever from its lawsuit against advertisers who ceased ad purchases on the site. This development is part of Musk's broader strategy to combat the decline in advertising revenue since he took over X. The lawsuit against Unilever was part of a larger legal battle initiated by X against various advertisers. Musk's aggressive approach stems from a significant drop in ad revenue, with many brands pausing their advertising due to content safety concerns. Former Twitter executives are seeking $200 million in severance payments they claim were wrongfully denied by Elon Musk after his acquisition of the platform. The executives allege they have been blocked from accessing crucial documents to support their claims. They argue that Musk's refusal to pay severance is a tactic to prolong litigation while X's financial situation deteriorates. The executives are pushing for a court hearing to resolve the discovery issue and prevent further delays. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us next time for more news on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay informed and take care.